Eldorado. Para cualquier persona de España puede ser un nombre extraño o algo relacionado con el oro. Para la gente de Estados Unidos o para los cazatormentas, podríamos estar hablando de uno de los tornados más fotogénicos y más impresionantes del 2024. Este tornado se dio el 23 de mayo por la tarde en el oeste de Oklahoma. Ya los modelos desde los últimos 2 días venían previendo una situación interesante. Buena humedad, buena energía para tormentas, buena cizalladura a niveles medios y altos. Lo único, fallaba una pequeña cosa, un pequeño detalle: la cizalladura a niveles bajos. Y es que, como podéis ver aquí, a primera vista no se ve una gran cizalladura a niveles bajos. Sí que existe la pequeña posibilidad de que se forme algún tornado, probablemente fotogénico, pero de corta duración. Pero había una cosa, creo que nadie contaba. Había un pequeño detalle que haría que todo esto cambiara esa tarde, y es que había una zona de convergencia al sur de esta tormenta. Y es que, como podéis ver aquí en esta imagen, hay una zona de convergencia muy pequeña, muy finita. De hecho, las temperaturas y la humedad no hay mucha diferencia entre un lado y otro, pero sí que existe esta pequeña diferencia suficiente como para que esta convergencia se pudiese dar, y a partir de aquí es cuando se dio la tornadogénesis que daría paso al tornado de Eldorado. Efectivamente, lo que ocurrió es que la tormenta se mantuvo encima de esta convergencia, con lo cual esto provocó que el tornado también pudiera durar más tiempo de lo esperado, durando más de 1 hora. Ya no solo es eso, sino que aparte de durar tanto tiempo, cambió de forma 3 veces. No estamos hablando de que se formaron varios tornados, no, estamos hablando de que un mismo tornado, sin dejar de tocar tierra, cambió de estructura 3 veces, algo que muy rara vez se ve. Mi nombre es Alert y este es mi primer vídeo sobre las cazas de tormentas que tuve en Estados Unidos con Nico, Meteorólogo en Twitter, y Sawyer. La verdad que una experiencia, una de las mejores experiencias de mi vida, y por fin puedo traeros esta magnífica caza, probablemente la mejor que tuvimos. Os la podía traer aquí al canal. Por desgracia, como algunos ya sabéis, he subido por mis redes sociales, perdí ciertos archivos por culpa de que mi móvil, bueno, lo robaron, con lo cual lo único que he podido hacer es recuperar ciertos archivos. Sí que los he podido recuperar gracias a amigos, sobre todo a Nico, pero lo demás no lo pude recuperar. Pero sí que lo que son los archivos de la cámara principal, la cámara de vídeo, sí que los tengo, con lo cual gracias a esos vídeos hoy os puedo traer este vídeo. Faltan bastantes trocitos que eran importantes, pero bueno, intentaré completarlos con algunas fotos y alguna cosa que tenga pues a mano. Pero bueno, sin más preámbulos, os dejo aquí con la caza.
Nice blink. Something's happening here. Conflict.
Magnum? Yeah. It might go towards that. So, we'll say Magnum and then stop at Brandon. Brandon is before Magnum, but we'll... Hey, we're gonna head towards Magnum, Oklahoma.
Magnum, okay. Yeah. Oh, an hour away. Oh, shit.
Oklahoma City. Yeah.
Where? It's an hour away. Where are we heading now? Magnum, Oklahoma. An hour away.
That'll put us in front of the super.
Gotcha.
Well, I can't hear any of it. What he's saying? That's why I'm trying to focus on too much at once. Basically he said that he needs to get me on the speaker pads. Okay. So Okay. Someone's on the left.
Man, we would have already been on this motherfucking storm.
If you don't want to take him, the nail me.
Right now, I'm in the path of the business now.
How close are you getting to the airport?
I don't think that helps that far. Right now, I'm
Keep an eye on the one behind us.
Yeah. We're going after this kid, Daddy, right now.
Alright, core punching. Make it a bit of hail.
It's a little hard.
There's no way we can bail out of this. We just have to blast through.
Yeah.
Almost out, almost out, almost out, almost out.
Are we going? Do we need to change to profiles again?
I don't trust this other one.
This one, no. This one is worse than the other one.
I mean-
unless it's fucking weekend. Okay, that's a fucking fail. Holy shit. Do have some
But yeah, we're getting into the forward flank.
Oh, that's a nice one. I don't know what it is, so I can... Shit. So that's a missile site, no?
Got it.
No? You can see shit from here. Oh, that's good. Oh my god!
What the fuck? Okay,
Oh,
we're,
shit.
We're going straight. We're going straight. What the fuck is going on?
Updraft? Something? Oh, that's another set, maybe. Okay, now there's really so small. So we had done the we must
Well,
have
we went to Texas today.
Oh yeah?
We're in Texas.
Right now. It's another state. Well, no,
Oh,
I
we're
just
already in Texas.
yeah. Okay, where is the storm? Okay. Do you think it's gonna produce again? Well, there's no report of. It's only one cloud. There's no report of tornadoes.
Where the fuck are we looking for?
Oh yeah, you can see the updraft there.
It's a little far.
Do you think it's worth because of the precipitation more than?
Oh, it's 10 miles away.
It's not that far.
No, no, not 10 miles, even further. It's fine, we're going to Phoenix.
We may see some hail on the.
No, look. Look, look.
Here.
No, no, no.
Don't drop.
What I'm pointing to! My phone!
There.
My phone.
Oh.
Well, look, this is us. That's the precip.
Well, we can see some hail on the side of the road.
Oh, yeah.
This is
Holy shit, guy. You get him, people. Dude, people are passing us up so fucking fast.
this is an art, this is
Wedges! Yeah! Fuck
we
yeah.
are in a good position, man.
We have chasers passing us going 100 miles an hour.
This is nice and funny.
What the skull?
Why there is like a ton of fucking anti-cyclonic shit.
First time I've ever seen an anticyclonic supercell. I've never seen one before. At least not, okay. Not that I like,
Not that busy.
not officially, but not that I completely know of.
Yeah.
Can I get a tee? America, America, seashells.
Let's try to make it to this other side. Come on, update. I have one line. I like one part. Yeah, tornado warning. Oh my god.
Move your finger. Look, what the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. people
Oh,
are-
that's big hail. This is big hail.
Repeat that. You cut off.
We're going into the RFD, the rear flank downdraft. The strongest winds and rain in the storm are going to be here.
PRP. Copy that.
That is the scariest Scud I've ever seen, or that's a funnel. Nico, you determine.
It's no, let's push.
No.
I'm getting
Hazards on, hazards on, hazards on. Hazards on, we're treading lightly.
Roger, Dodger.
Bro, this is so low.
Dude, that looks super suspicious. It's gonna be right there.
Yeah, I
Keep your
know.
camera on that specific section right there, that left,
Yeah.
left in it.
I have all these.
Oh.
You're running down.
Oh, wait, actually, it might be over there too. All I know is that we're in great fucking position. Look at this shit.
What? Yeah. We are approaching. We are almost there.
Hey, if you guys can hear me for whatever reason, the tornado's right the fuck in front of us.
Oh, you can see lowering?
There, bro. Are we supposed to be going north?
Yeah.
Oh, this is okay.
Yeah, we are good. We are good.
Whoa!
There's something there. There has to be. my god, the view! My fucking god! That's a wedge. Has to be.
Is that it right in front of us?
Yeah, it is. No, it's not. It's more like to this.
Is that it right there? Holy shit. There it is.
There, yeah.
Oh,
it's
what is he showing Eli? He's showing Eli something.
Go, go. We can't stop here. We can't stop here. We can't stop here. This is gorgeous. This is the time. Is that right there? No, that's inflow. Oh, you can go there.
No.
Oh my god!
Because there's a massive fucking tornado right there!
Oh shit, it's gorgeous. It's massive. It's rain rather now.
Where the fuck we are?
A little bit more. There you go.
What the fuck was that noise?
No, I don't.
Where's Josh?
I don't know. But the road's closed, and I think the tornado passed the road. Maybe. Could be.
Oh, there's the Dow. Or something at least.
Yeah, go this way.
En este momento pudimos presenciar cómo el tornado volvía a cambiar de forma de cono a forma de tubería. Por desgracia perdí varios vídeos de este momento, pero aquí os dejo unas cuantas imágenes y un vídeo que pudo captar Meteobro.
Yo, that's massive!
Oh shit. Violent killer mega storm of the century.
Actually, it is.
Like, just keep going, make sure it's good enough for a car to go through. Oh my gosh!
What?
The lights. Keep going, please.
Keep going! Eli, are you slow on purpose?
Are you slow on purpose?
How's it called? Flood or flood?
Okay, but it's shallow.
Mark! Hey,
Let's just tread lightly. If we get
we're good.
let's go.
I think, but is that a creek that overflowed a little bit?
Flood.
When did we drive this much?
Why did we?
When?
The whole day.
Yeah, that's true. That's why.
Why what?
That road's completely flooded. How is it pronounced?
We can't get to fucking Oklahoma City. Oh my gosh. actually making a U-turn. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Hold on. Excuse me.
West on US 62
Giant.
West or South County.
Just try and get his attention. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, we're trying to get to OKC. We're trying to get to Oklahoma City. How
much gas you got?
Aquí el policía nos menciona que la carretera está completamente inundada y que realmente es imposible ir a Oklahoma City por esa carretera, así que nos dice que tenemos que dar la vuelta, intentarlo por otras carreteras y al final esta ruta, en vez de ser solo 2 horas, casi se hace una ruta de 4 horas de vuelta.